Hi guys! In today's video, I wanted to explain UK undergraduate grading system. In simple words, I want to tell you about how you're graded when you study an undergraduate degree in the UK. And all of that in just 3 minutes. Grades at UK universities are different from the grades you get in school. So you might be wondering, how will I be graded? Which type of degree can I get? And why it even matters? So in this video, we answer all of these questions. First thing you should know is that there are two types of degrees you can study in the UK. There is an ordinary degree, and if you're studying this type of degree, you either pass or fail. The second type is honours degree. There are 4 main classifications for this type of education. Honours degree is what most UK universities offer for an undergraduate study. So we will talk about honours degrees in this video. Honours degrees follow classification system for grading purposes. There are 4 main classes of degree you can achieve. First class honours or first, upper second class honours or 2-1, lower second class honours or 2-2, third class honours or third. First class honours degree or first. This is the highest level of degree you can get. If you graduate with a first class degree or with a first, this shows the greatest academic achievement. To get a first, you should typically get on average 70% or higher in all of your assessments. Getting a first-class degree gives you a competitive advantage at employment, and is almost a must if you wish to continue your education at top universities such as Cambridge and Oxford. According to research, around 17 to 24% of all UK students graduate with a first. Upper second class honours or 2-1 is the second best degree achievable at a British university. To get a 2-1, your weighted average should be between 60 and 69%. 50% of all students obtain an upper second class honours, but it does not mean it is easy. You need to work hard, and a 2-1 degree is still an impressive achievement. Upper second class degree is a minimum requirement for most graduate jobs and numerous graduate courses. The lower second class honours degree or 2-2 is awarded to students with a weighted average of 50 to 59%. A lot of effort goes into achieving this grade, but unfortunately it is not as prestigious as first or 2-1. Around 22 to 24% of students obtain a lower second class degree. Certain graduate schemes will accept students with this type of degree, though it will be harder to compete for the graduate employment opportunities. The choices for master's program are also limited if you are applying with a 2-2 degree. Third class honours degree or third is the lowest degree achievable. It is still a pass and you'll graduate with your course mates. But it puts you in a difficult position if you're planning to pursue graduate destinations. This is because you'll be competing with candidates who achieved the first 2-1 and a 2-2. Only 5% of all students obtain third-class degrees. To obtain it, you must pass your degree, so have an average of 40 to 49%. I hope this video clarified some of your questions. If not, please comment below and we will try to help. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and do check out our blog. It's www.mindthegrad.com. Thank you for watching and best of luck from Undergrad.